Did you just get your first iPhone and you're trying to transfer your data from your Android phone to your iPhone? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily transfer your data from your Android phone to your iPhone without more stress. So transferring data from your Android phone to your iPhone can be a little bit tricky, although there's an easy way to do this without using your laptop or any software at all. So let's just get into it real fast. So let's quickly get into transferring your files from your Android phone to your iPhone. So in this video, we'll be showing you how to transfer your files from your Android phone to your iPhone. For this process, you need three basic things. You need your Android phone, you need the Move to iPhone app, and you also need a Type-C cable, USB-C to C. Not just Type-C, USB-C to C cable. So let's keep this one side. So on your iPhone, click on English, click on the country at which you're from, click on continue, set up without another device. Then allow this to load. Click on continue, click on setup for myself, click on setup later, passcode option, don't use passcode. Then you see a screen here showing you transfer your app and data. On the first one here, we have transfer from iCloud backup, another iPhone, from Mac or PC, or from Android. Then you see don't transfer anything. So click on from Android and they say transfer from Android. Open Move to iOS on your Android device. To get started, you can download the app at apple.com/move to iOS. Although you can just go to your Play Store, and on your Play Store, you can just search Move to iOS is the first option that pops up. Let's go back. Search Move to iOS. Click on it. As you can see, we have it here. Click on Install. Then allow it to install. Then click on Open. So you click on Continue. Click on Agree here. Click on Continue. Agree. Automatically send. Continue. Then click on Allow. Click on Continue. Click on Allow. Now they say connect via cable. So click on Continue here. And you just pick your Type-C code. You have different options. I have connect by Wi-Fi and I have connect by cable. So let me just put this here. You should see a code on your iOS device. If there isn't a code, make sure set up assistant and select from Android to transfer. Continue. Now we input this code 246588. Connecting. As you can see, it's showing preparing. So now it asks you basically what do you want to transfer. So you can select what you want to transfer: messages, contacts, call history, events, Google account, photo library, voice memo, apps, display settings, accessibilities. So for this, I'll transfer messages. I'll transfer allow. I'll transfer contacts. Allow. I'll transfer call history. Allow. I will transfer Google account. I will not transfer photo library because this video is for a tutorial, and it will actually take a lot of time to transfer photo library. So if you're the one that is doing it for your personal device, you can click on photo library. So I'll just click on WhatsApp. Okay, unable to transfer. Okay, sorry, I don't have WhatsApp on this phone. I'm very sorry, I don't have WhatsApp on this phone. So let's just click on, you can basically select everything, but I'm trying to click on what to transfer in like fast because of the sake of the video. But you can basically select everything as it's your personal device and you have time to basically do that. So let me see. Okay, let's do voice memos. Allow. So let's click on continue. As you can see, transferring to iPhone, estimated time to transfer You have contact 600, estimated time 10%, about 1 minute remaining. Keep this iPhone turned on and connected to power until the transfer is complete. So basically, this is it. It has transferred. Everything has been transferred. As you can see, your messages are transferred, contacts, call history, accounts are transferred. So what you just need to do is click on continue here and create an Apple ID. So for this, we'll just click on forget and just click on set up later in settings, and we'll click on don't use. So we click on agree and we click on continue, and we click on not now. We click on turn on location services. This is just the basic like setup. Click on setup later, click on continue, share with Apple, share with app developers, click on continue, then we'll click on not now. This is just the basic iPhone setup. Then we'll click on setup later in settings, then we'll click on continue, then we'll click on welcome to iPhone. If you come here, if you go to FaceTime app required, cancel. As you can see now, all my contacts on my Android phone is basically on my iPhone right now. All my contacts, everything. I think let's just click on OK here. Let's click on cancel. I think we sent messages, we sent contact, call history, and Google accounts. Let's go to messages and okay. As you can see, all my messages are back on my iPhone. So basically, you can basically transfer everything if you have time. But this is the basic tutorial on how to transfer your files from your Samsung phone to your iPhone. So this is just it. This is basically it. So if you have any problems with this, do well to drop a comment and I will respond to it. Thank you. So if you like this video, do well to like, comment, subscribe, and also share to your friends. Thank you.